Humanity Festival, a festival in honor of the birth of the Bab, who was the prophet herald of the Baha'i faith. In the teachings of the Baha'i faith, you'll find a vision for humanity, and this vision is one in which we are all united, so that's why the festival is themed the unity of humanity. If you haven't already, I would encourage you to grab a program. It'll give you a schedule of all of the live performances, and it will explain to you how we've laid out the space and how we've divided the art according to different themes. Themes such as beauty, how we investigate truth, the equality of women and men, and the dawning of a new age for humanity, in which we all live in peace and harmony. So now we're going to have a sing-along that will be led by Jasmine Michelle, and I warmly encourage you to sing along, to join in and to sing as loud as you'd like.
So this sing-along is especially for kids, so if you're a kid and you like to sing, you're welcome to come up and sit on these benches. And Alexis and Rachel and I are going to lead a song. It's a repeat after me song, so if you hear a line, you can sing it back. It's called We Are Drops. We are drops of one ocean. We are waves of one sea. Come and join us in our quest for unity. It's the way of life for you and me. We are flowers of one garden. We are leaves of one tree. Come and join us in our quest for unity. It's the way of life for you and me. All the world is of one country. We are one. Can't you see? Come and join us in our quest for unity. It's the way of life for you and me. It's the way of life for you and me. So we have some shakers. So Alexis and Rachel are going to pass out the shakers to any kids who want, and you can shake along. Does everyone have their shakers ready? Can I hear them? Where there is love, where there is love, nothing is too much trouble, nothing is too much trouble. Where there is love, nothing is too much trouble, nothing is too much trouble. There is always time, time, time. There is always time, time, time. There is always time. Whoa. And there is always time, time, time. There is always time, time, time. There is always time. Oh. So when we say time, 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 can I hear you go shake, shake, shake? Can we try that? There is always time, time, time. There is always time, time, time. There is always time. Oh. Ready? There is always time, time, time. There is always time, time, time. There is always time. Whoa. And one last big shake. Awesome. there's a part where we can all sing together. It goes. Do 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 do. Can you try? Do 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 do. Sounds good. I want you to be happy, to smile, to love, rejoice. I want you to be happy, to smile, to love, rejoice. In order that others, great shaking. Maybe make happy, maybe make happy by you, happy by you, happy by you, happy by you, happy by you. Do 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 do. Oh, can I hear your voices? Do 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 Beautiful. I want you to be happy, to smile, to love, rejoice. I want you to be happy, to smile, to love, rejoice. In order that others may be made happy, may be made happy by you, happy by you, happy by you, happy by you, happy by you. Do 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 So we're going to do one more song. This is a song about friendship. I think some of you know it. Friends. Do not be content with showing friendship in words alone, words alone. Let your heart burn with loving kindness. Do not be content with showing friendship in words alone, words alone. Let your heart burn with loving kindness for all who may cross your path, for all who may cross your path. For all who may cross your path, 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 for all who may cross your path. Let's hear the shakers. Do not be content with showing friendship in words alone, words alone. Let your heart burn with loving kindness. Do not be content with showing friendship in words alone, words alone. Let your heart burn with loving kindness for all who may cross your path, 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 for all who may cross your path. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for singing and shaking along. Stick around for more music and for lots of artwork.